All right, welcome back to your writing. Today we're going to develop reasons based on facts and details from sources. So we have already looked at the prompt, and we know that it asks us to write an opinion essay about the author Jason Reynolds. Would we recommend him to other readers? Today, I'll identify evidence that will help develop reasons for my own personal opinion. So, my personal opinion is that I would recommend the author, Jason Reynolds, to other readers. And so you guys are going to be asked to reread the selections, The Drive Down and Grandpop's Surprise. So we've already gone over this quite a bit, and we should know the outs and ins of these selections. So here are my reasons, or I gave at least two, for example, on why I enjoy Jason Reynolds and I recommend him to other readers. So you guys will have 3 column notes. It's in your packet. So in the space you're going to put selection. That is the excerpts we've been reading. So like The Drive Down and Grandpop's Surprise. Then we have our reasons on the very right. So that is the reasons why we like or dislike Jason Reynolds as an author. And these selections. And then we have to give facts and details to go with our reason. So one of my reasons is I like how the dialect is not formal. Okay, it gives dialect that is easy to understand and it's kind of fun as well. So when I look through my excerpts, I found examples of this. So one example was right here, but tougher. Know what I'm saying? And when Ernie said trying to send this text, but it won't go through. I can understand that. So the dialect isn't proper. Okay, it's not formal, but I can still understand it and it's fun. So I gave a reason and 2 different examples. Those are my details. My other reasons is that I believe he writes about common problems. So like siblings being different from each other and parents keeping secrets. So I needed to find a example, fact, or detail that went along with this reason. So I have here one example of them being different is that Jeannie likes to learn and Ernie likes to be cool. And then second, an example of what the parents were saying, we weren't trying to keep anything from you, which is one of my reasons was parents keeping secrets because that can happen in our day-to-day lives. So I gave 2 reasons and then I backed it up. So here's what you're going to do today. You might need to get on Benchmark and look through these passages, these excerpts. But in your 3 column notes, this is in your packet, I want you to complete the chart by developing 4 reasons why you like or dislike the selections. So if you do like it and you agree with me that you would recommend him, I don't mind you using these 2 reasons, but you need to add 2 more. And they have to be different, obviously. So you can use these 2, but you need to come up with 2 of your own. If you dislike the author Jason Reynolds, then you'll have to come up with 3 to 4 completely different reasons on why you don't like him. And that's what you're doing today. Okay? So give me more reasons. Then you need to have examples, facts, and details that are within the text that go along with that. And then tell me the selection that you got it from. So these both, I got my facts and details from both passages. So you need to look through both of them and do these things.